Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Engineer Sam Wasapi, and this is just one of the questions that were highlighted to me on Bitumen content. Alright, so before we begin, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so I'll explain the easiest way to go about computing the Bitumen content. So as you can see, the results of Marshall test for 5 specimens are given below. Find the optimum Bitumen content for the mix. Show your calculations or workings. Alright, so what do we do? So to find the optimum Bitumen content, which is OBC, all we do is to get the max Bitumen content, which corresponds to the stability of the specimen. So I'll say stability plus max corresponding Bitumen content on VV plus max corresponding Bitumen content on GM, and the whole lot of this is divided by 3. The Bitumen content given in this table is as a percentage. So to find the optimum Bitumen content, we set the max stability value, which corresponds to a given Bitumen value. If we look here, what is the highest value of the stability in kgs? If you look at the values we have, it's 812.7. And 812.7 corresponds to what? Bitumen content, which is 5. So we say 5% plus max VV. If you look at the VV values, we have 12.5, 7.2, and the like. The highest value there is 12.5. The corresponding Bitumen content for the VV value that corresponds to the highest value is basically 3. So we say plus 3%, then plus the highest Bitumen the max corresponding Bitumen content for GM. Max GM is 2.26, which corresponds to a Bitumen content of 5%, and this is all divided by 3. So optimum Bitumen content will be 5% plus 3% plus 5%, which will give you about 13% divided by 3, and the optimum Bitumen content will basically now be 4.33. Just like that. That is the easiest way you can go about finding the optimum Bitumen content. Others graph, but you can graph this. You can find the graph for the stability versus Bitumen content and find the maximum stability. You can also graph the GM versus Bitumen content and find the max GM, which will still give you the same value. And also you can graph the percentage of the voids versus the Bitumen content. Yeah, and you get the same values as well. But most cases when you graph, like for instance, if you graph the air voids versus the Bitumen content, you'd find that your value might be 4 or off due to the way you have graphed it, but regardless, you end up getting the same value, which will just fluctuate a bit different from this. So that's how you go about doing this. Alright, thanks for watching.